Ba't ka nagsasorry, anak? We're gonna go to school tomorrow, right?
No.
Why? Why you don't wanna go to school? Tomorrow, after you go to school, we're gonna go to where? Where do you wanna go?
I know. I have to school.
Bakit ayaw mo sa school? Huh? Okay. It's fun to go to school. You will learn how to play with other kids. Right?
No, I know. No, I know. I know.
Madami kang playmates doon. Magla-learn ka how to sing, dance, write, read. You like that?
No, I know.
Paano
I
ka
have school.
Bakit ayaw mo sa school? What are you gonna say to Teacher Sarah tomorrow? Dij. And Teacher H, what are you gonna say to them?
Teacher, I want the puzzle.
Oh, doon, matututo ka rin mag-puzzle.
Oh boy! May dinner dyan.
Titingnan mo dyan para makita mo kung saan mo ilalagay yung puzzle, okay?
It's so scary.
Basta tomorrow, we're gonna go to school, ha? Dij, tomorrow, okay? What do you want for breakfast?
Candy.
Candy?
Hey, someone.
No. Magtapusin mo yung puzzle mo. Please. Then we're going to sleep now, okay?
No. Ang sorry po.
Kailangan maaga tayo mag-sleep. Kasi maaga tayong gigising because you have school.
And I'm sorry.
Ano gusto mong i-wear tomorrow? You wanna wear Mickey Mouse? Mickey Mouse dress? Huh? Opo. So we're gonna go to school tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now let's go to sleep now.
No.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, Nanay.
Excuse me, DJ. Diyan ba yan? I don't think so, anak. Are you sure? Doon yan? No. Maiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat aminin? Na ang puso'y nabibitin. Salamin, 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 na 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 na.
Teacher!
Yeah, good job. Nabuo mo na yung face nila. What's next? Where's Olaf?
With Danny Bear. Danny Bear! Hi, Danny. Danny Bear. Danny. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Tama, that's correct, anak. Dun yun. Tama naman yung ginawa mo. Nay, umarte ka pa. Inay ko po! Pinaikot mo pa.
Si Danny.
Yeah, si Danny. Tani and tatay
Danny
are playing.
Tico.
Tinitickle ni tatay si Danny.
Take your tiny toes. Smithy inside the nose. When I baby grows.
Oh.
This is start.
Si DJ nagpa-puzzle pa. Nagpa-puzzle si DJ. Oh, let's go to sleep na daw, sabi ni tatay.
No, ayaw.
You have school pa daw.
No, ayaw.
Mabilisan mo tapusin yan para makaka-sleep na tayo.
No. Ang tanya. Sorry, B. Sorry po.
Bakit?
Ang tanya.
Nasaan ba si Olaf? Kamay ba yan ni Olaf yan?
Kamay.
Yeah. Oh, that's kamay ni Elsa. Wala makita ka, tanan na pangangamba, na 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 na, feel like I'm now with you, sa islang pantropiko,
Oh, tatay.
Hmm?
What's the happy? What's the happy space? What's the happy space?
Happy face where? Where's Olaf's ano? What is missing?
Me?
Ayan, hawak mo na kanina anak eh. Yan.
Me?
Yeah, I think that's one. That's the one. No. I don't know. That's the one. No, yeah, ikot. Yeah, I know. Hindi yan anak. Not that one. I don't know where it is. Go look for it. Look for the right one. O yun yata yung nasa dulo anak. Ayun, dulo.
Hmm.
No, not that one. No. Ayun yung isa. Hindi yan. Yan na yung hawak mo kanina eh. Hindi yan. Ayun. Napakagaling. Doon pala yun. Ay, parang hindi.
Yay!
Doon pala yun. Sabi mo tatay, wait lang.
Wait na, tatay.
Malapit na pong mabuo.
Oh, okay? Hmm.
Bisan mo. Tatay wants to sleep na. Tatay needs to sleep because she has work tomorrow. And you have school tomorrow. Konti na lang.
What did it say? He can't do you I can't hold it and but the no oh shucks I don't know at the pop na it's easy so good.
Oh no!
Tina dyan.
Konti na lang anak. Bilis.
I want puzzle.
Ha?
I want puzzle.
Yun na nga eh. Ginagawa mo na eh.
Excuse me. Excuse me po.
Ayan, madali na sa'yo.
Wow, beautiful colors. Look. Yeah. What's she saying?
Wow. 3 more to go. Wow, good job, anak. Good job. Ano, tapos na. Bukas na. Bukas naman, bukas. Okay? Say good night. Good job, anak.
No, I am. I want answer.
Tomorrow na lang, okay? You have school pa tomorrow, okay? Okay, let's go. Sleep. Good night. Say good night.